Hey there, welcome to Patio Productions. Today, we're giving you an insider's look at recycled plastic patio furniture. Trust me, there's more to it than you might expect. So what exactly is recycled plastic outdoor furniture? Well, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. We're talking about outdoor furniture made from recycled plastics, like milk jugs, detergent bottles, and other consumer goods. These materials get cleaned, melted down, and transformed into stylish, durable patio pieces. Now, why should you consider this eco-friendly option? Let's break it down. The first reason is sustainability. By choosing recycled plastic, you're helping keep waste out of landfills and reducing your carbon footprint. It's an easy way to be a little kinder to our planet. Reason number 2, recycled plastic furniture, also known as upcycled composite furniture, is low maintenance. Unlike wood or metal furniture, recycled plastic doesn't rust, rot, or need repainting. It's basically set it and forget it furniture. Another reason to buy eco-friendly plastic patio furniture is durability. This stuff is tough. It can handle sun, rain, snow, you name it. Most brands even offer UV protection to prevent fading. Recycled plastic furniture is also affordable. It's usually cheaper than other materials, especially when you factor in its long lifespan. Which brings us to recycled plastic patio furniture reason number 5, style. Don't worry, you're not sacrificing looks. Modern recycled plastic furniture comes in a wide range of colors and styles, with some, especially polywood patio furniture, even mimicking the look of real wood. Now let's talk brands. Polywood is a big name in this game, and one of our favorites. They offer a huge selection at various price points, and their 20-year warranty for residential use is pretty hard to beat. So, if you want to learn more, check out the link to our full comprehensive blog in the description below. And don't forget to visit patioproductions.com for all your recycled plastic patio furniture needs. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!